Successive game. Davinson Sanchez and Danny Rose dropped down to the bench. Spurs against United, and it's live! Scoring in each of United's last 3 games. In Dubai, warm weather and seemingly much warmer relations between management and players. But I don't. Son trying to slip it through. He has slipped it through. And Winks did everything right, really, but Sissoko was back on his heels. Spurs come again with Trippier. It's rolled across the face of the goal, and he's wondering why no one was there. A member of the dressing room when he was in there with you?
Yeah, definitely. Always in.
Flags up.
They've got a problem, Spurs. Davis, Vertonghen, they don't know which one to pass. You see him there, just stood in between left back and left centre back.
Manchester City, of course, in his own playing days, and he tries to bend that towards Kane, and he wasn't too far away from him.
And it was dangerous. He holds his hand up. I'm not sure why he is. The overlap causes the problem for Luke Shaw. A little bit on his heels.
And it was Kane's shot that didn't get through the crowd.
How can Harry Kane control the ball in the box? In the corner.
Here's the running power of the team. It was hit high wide and not very handsome by Winks.
There was a little bit of pushing and shoving.
Kane trying to get in front here. So Ali coming around the back. Kane! Gets a touch. Flags up. No goal.
Well, he put a cross in earlier on in the game. Kieran Trippier. That had no one on the end of it.
Martial still going. He's blocking it.
And Manchester United looked like Manchester United 5-10 years ago. The speed of the attack, running at players, direct. This Spurs defence, which is a brilliant defence, don't like it at all.
For Winks again. That's another go, and hasn't quite back. It's a threatening ball to Rashford. And Rashford fires it across Lloris and into the net, and sends Manchester United into the lead. Late in the first half. Typical of the quick counter-attacks that they've been looking to produce, and this one has hit the bullseye.
Absolutely devastating for Manchester United. Pogba's pass is world-class, and it's Trippier's one that gives it away, but Lingard alive.
In by Young. And Lingard, who's got such a good scoring record in this stadium, went for real power and was, in the end, off target.
That's the one thing you would say in this first 2 or 3 weeks under the stewardship of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Bodies in the box, 4 of them there lining up on the cross.
Again, Eriksen's there again. Kane has a swing at it. Ali tries to back heel. Son's on the move, but the flag's up.
It was a little frantic for Manchester United's defence there. They're getting bodies in the way. Spurs really trying to combine intricate play around the edge of the world. They've got people who can run.
Well, they're on the attack again as the half-time whistle goes. That rather sums up the way Manchester United have successfully gone about their business. And that time on the pitch and the work rate does look as though, as Mauricio Pochettino feared. And they're in here. Oh, what a great chance for Harry Kane to equalise early in the second half.
It was a wonderful move from Tottenham, really was. Cut United open. It was straight at De Gea, and he's good saving with his feet.
Wanting to shoot, and wanting to chase on, and make it his maybe, and but for Lloris, Tottenham would have been in much more serious trouble.
United have come back on top again this last few minutes, and Pogba just getting into a hole and into a pocket, follows up on the shot.
Tries to have a crack, but it's in the middle. Martial can find him, just looking for other angles, even with the Pogba! Great stop by Lloris. Pogba had a bit of power and plenty of placement.
It's a big chance. Trippier and Martial.
Can he go all the way here? Tottenham in for an equaliser, but David De Gea stays big again.
Well, you said it, Martin. Manchester United showboated, it looked like, at one end of the pitch in that far left corner.
In by Trippier, and another good De Gea save from Ali's header. Looked as though it might be creeping in. De Gea had other ideas. Spurs finding their best football so far of the match. Pogba, Spurs, as that caught United out, very nearly did. Kane, having got there again, will be disappointed he couldn't force it past De Gea.
Well, he'll feel as though he should have 2 goals in this second half. It's a wonderful delivery from Christian Eriksen. He gets in front of Phil Jones, Harry Kane, and he gets...
Crossley, the good crosser of the ball. And it was met by Pogba. Good contact and a decent stop by Lloris.
Yeah, they just didn't pick up on the way out, Spurs. It was a really good cross. And Pogba in the box threat is close enough and a good height for Lloris.
Great work from him for Spurs. Eriksen, long way out. A little bit over-ambitious. He does get plenty of goals from long range.
Yeah, it's not for me to question his decision-making in the final third with how good he normally is, but he just...